In this video, I'm going to show you how to invest in the S&P 500 on Webull. So the first thing you want to do is you want to open up a Webull account. So download the Webull app and create your profile. Next thing you need to do is you need to fund your account. So link a bank account and deposit funds already if you haven't done so. I'm doing this video under the assumption that many of you guys have already deposited at least some sort of funds. The next thing we need to do is we need to select an S&P 500 ETF. So you cannot invest directly in the S&P 500 index. However, you can buy exchange traded funds, also known as ETFs, that track it. There's many popular options out there. There's the Vanguard S&P 500, there's the iShares Core S&P 500, there's the SPDR S&P 500 as well. So for this video, let's go ahead and invest in the Vanguard S&P 500. For this video, I'm just going to be talking about the Vanguard S&P 500 because that is the most common one. But what you would need to do is you would need to go to the search bar right over here and then type in VOO, just like so. And over here, it'll provide you with the performance and stuff like that. You guys can see how it's been doing over the past, few years, months, etc. But what you want to do from here is you want to go ahead and press on trade just like so. And here's where things get really important. So you'll notice that over here, we'll kind of get like a slider that says quantity and USD. You want to go ahead and select on USD over here or quantity. Quantity is in terms of how much of the stock you want to buy, and USD is how much actual dollars you're putting in. So I typically like to use USD. So I just wanted to go ahead and point that out there. You can switch between the two. But anyways, guys, once you're over here, you guys could select the order type over here. We got group orders as well and conditional orders. And you want to go ahead and see which one of these meets your investing goals. All right, and then afterwards, you can select the trading hours, the time in force, and also select on how much you actually want to buy. And then all you want to do is you want to go ahead and press on buy just like so, and then you should be good to go. At any point in time, you can go ahead and sell it over here. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.